Hi, crafty friends. Lacey, the Cheeky Bum here, and I just got the mail and I got Miss Kate's subscription for the month, and I got some Temu and I got some AliExpress. So there's definitely some hauls coming your way, but I had to pull this out because I didn't remember, or I tried. I'm kind of weird. I really don't like spoilers, and I like surprises. Like I like to be surprised. So I didn't. I rarely look to see what is coming in the subscription for Miss Kate because yeah, again, I like to be surprised. I don't know why, but I'm so excited because it is a travel collection this month. So we're gonna get into it. This month's kit is called We There Yet? And I like the colors. They're kind of a muted, kind of a vintagey tone, and I'm living for it. Look at all the fun. This is the back of the front sheet, which is like a off-center polka dot, which is kind of cute. We have this stripe. You know, she's always got stripes. She's always going to have polka dots. But look at, this is going to make such a cute little album. Look at these planes. Automatically makes me think of the Chaos Craft airplanes. They have a passport. So a lot of the, like, summer is always travel themed. We had some travel themed stuff last summer, and we're having it again this summer. So a lot of the things, or a lot of the dyes will definitely go with this. We have this. How fun is this? Love a good Route 66. I've been on it multiple times. One of my sons still lives in Flagstaff, but both of them did at a time, and we'd take, 66 runs right through Flagstaff. So look how fun this is. You got the hotel key, which the keychain is slightly different than the ones we have in our collections, but we have the little, like, multiple of us have the little camera albums. I would love to get like a little like road marker sign like this shaped. That would be really cute. On the back of this we have some more cut aparts. Oh, this adventure would be this would make a really cute like long traveling journal. This piece, that would be, I might have to do that. That's really cute. I really am liking this off-center polka dot instead of the typical polka dots we get. I really like the greens, the yellows, the like corally orange, and the browns together. And we have another cut apart piece. Oh, this plane is just so stinking cute. Some more polka dots. We have Wander. This is so fun. Would be amazing for a road trip journal or album, either one. Definitely am excited to kind of play with this. These are really fun. I think like they're perfect size to fit in like a traveler's journal. So I think that might have to be like, oh, I'm a sucker for checks. You know it. Look at these teals. I love like the aqua teals that she uses in her collection because they're always one of my favorite pages. Look at this one that's like a road print but striped. This is too cute. I like the scaling of the prints as well. Of course, we have a plaid. Ooh, this is really cute. I like the stars. That's a really cute pattern, and I like the color. It's a very, like, I wouldn't say taupey because it's a little bit warmer than taupe. Taupe is a cool tone brown, but it's a nice, just kind of like warm tone pebble. We have some cute little flowers. This olive too. Like all the colors just go so well together. We have another like road type, but the roads are colored on this one. Love this little camera page. This is too cute. I really like that. I have some more. I see checks in all the colors. So this is really, so cute. Ooh, look at this one. This one is so adorable. I really like that. Ooh, I like this type of plaid. It's a little different than what we typically see with her. We have the starburst or sunburst, which is very typical. I want to say typical, but I've seen this in multiple different collections. We've seen something like this in Recollections, but we've also seen something like this in Paper Studio as well. So I think that you might be able to pull ephemera from those collections and it might match up really well. I really like the clouds. Oh, I don't know, this plain, this like retro style plain is just got me. It's so stinking cute. I really like this type of plaid from her too. Ooh, look at that check. Oh, I really like that check page. I'm loving these little star pages as well. Have more of the print. I really like the little map as well. We have the little like compass star. Too cute. More checks. Love a good checkered page. And I like this corally, like orangey red that she's used. See, I really like this new plaid that's been brought in compared to like this. This gives me a little like kind of like youthful vibe, like baby, little kid. It doesn't give, I don't know. It's not my favorite page in the collection so far. Probably my least favorite, but everything else I'm really, really liking, and I'm really liking this new kind of thin lined plaid, and I'm loving the checks and the off-center circles. Again, we typically don't see those type of polka dots from her, so I'm really liking it. This is the sticker page. I like the scale of the stickers too. Nothing too big. Really good for album sizing. This is a really, really cute collection. And now we're going to go over the ephemera bits. There's 60 pieces in here. This is what they look like on the back, but I like to see the scale, and I know all of you guys do too. This is a really cute collection. I would have to say, since I've done the monthly kit, so I started in, I think, February, I really liked the Valentine's Day collection. I want to say that this might be my favorite since then. Hit the road. Love that. We have the little map. Explore. Look at these little planes are just so cute. Let's fly away. We have some sentiments. So we have adventure, we have travel, we have wander, we have wanderlust. Love that. What else do we have in here? We have discover, explore. I really like the thin black outline on some of the words. Not all of them have it, but I do like that. Let's see. I think that's it for those. We have another plane. We have a couple little cars. We have a globe, a passport. Not all who wander, not all those who wander are lost. That's kind of been out there for a little bit. I like these little like journaling pieces. We have some mountains. I do like me some mountains. As much as I like the water, I like the mountains as well. Little camera. Roam if you want to. We have some geodots. Oh, here's the Route 66. I really like that. Here's another one. Oh, another sentiment. Are we there yet? Oh, I love that. So we have some keys. We have some suns. We have some trees. Oh, we also have, let's see, we have trip and road. We have some little flowers that go along. These are like the little airplane dots. Those are cute. All right, so we have some tabs. Those are cute. More flowers, little trees. I'm liking these little cameras. And look at this little road trip sign, passport. So we have some definitely repeats, but in different colors. We have these little bits that are, I mean, I guess you can use it as a tab or like to pull up an interactive element or a journaling card or something. And then the little globe. This is a really, really cute collection. I really am liking this. I like all the little cameras. This is really cute. I'm excited to play with this. I need the time to play with this, but I am excited for it because I love a good travel collection, and I like the prints. I like the colors. I like that it's not, I feel like a lot of travel collections are either too like cutesy or too literal and kind of manly. I don't see a whole lot in between, but I like that. I like all the spectrums of a travel collection because I don't mind the cutesy, but I really like the like more manly because usually, I mean, I'm the only girl in my family. I have boys and my husband, so I don't mind the more manly um, stuff because, you know, when I'm doing family albums, I tend to lean towards that, but I think this is a really good blend. I like the colors. I really like this collection. I think it's really, really cute. And like I said, I think this might be my favorite one that I've seen so far this year, other than the Valentine's collection. So if you're interested, get it. You get your first month is free. I mean, I don't get any kickbacks from this. I don't have an affiliate code or anything like that. But your first month, I think you get free. You're just paying for the shipping. And then I think it's like $24.99. Each additional month. She's got different brackets of the subscription, but this is really, really cute. And if you like a travel collection, this is really cute. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will link Miss Kate down below in this collection so you can go check it out. And we'll see you guys next video. Bye.